Hi, my name is Huntington, and this is going to be a warm-up exercise in creative writing. For this exercise, you'll need a pen and paper. From the list of words, you will choose one, and only one of them. Draw to the best of your ability. Whatever it is you think represents the word. This will not be as simple as using the word flower, therefore allowing you to draw a simple flower. Instead, you will draw a representation of the word. Following your adventure into the arts and drawing, you will then present your masterpiece to a fellow student. They will then in turn have to describe out the drawing to you, the artist, as to what the picture represents. Previous themes have been based on actions. When you, the student, were asked to describe an action, such as running, it required you to pull from your vocabulary involving body parts, direction, clothing, and so on. Let's take a look at how this exercise would work with the previous themes. So you, the student, chose from the list of words here. Then you, as a student, drew your choice of word, which should look something like this. Now, the image may not be something to win an art contest, but it should get the imagination going for the next part of this exercise. This is where you showed the drawing to another student. While you know what word you chose and the drawing makes sense to you, it may not be immediately apparent to the next student. You, as a student looking at the image, must now be able to describe the action taking place. It may be readily apparent the person in the drawing is swimming. However, you must be able to describe everything about that action. While looking at the drawing, you notice the person is in water. It is a man. The man is moving through the water. He does this by using his hand, which is in front of him. He is kicking behind him, using his legs. You can see his feet out of the water. And for all intents and purposes, we'll say that he is smiling. In this scenario, you have been able to identify the different body parts, motion, direction, surrounding elements, and further details describing the action of swimming. But now it's your turn. Prep your pens and paper and choose from the following words here. Now, this is different than the actions that you were previously working on, so maybe a little bit more difficult, but you are up to the challenge. Now, draw a scene or a representation of your chosen word. Take your masterpiece and show it to a fellow student. You, as the observer, must now explain everything you see about the drawing. Go into detail of the figures and surroundings within the drawing. Draw from your vocabulary from past lessons to help further explain what you are seeing and what the scene possibly represents. My name is Huntington. This has been a presentation for TSL 5371 for Florida International University. Thank you very much.